So now I will provide you with instructions. If you have any questions about the instructions, please feel free to ask me, okay? So we will have 2 rounds. In the first round, a correct answer will gain you 5 points. You have 30 seconds after the question to press the buzzer, okay? In the second round, we have 2 parts for each question. If you provide 1 correct answer, you get 1 point. If you provide 2 answers, that is the complete answer, you get 5 points. So the first team to press the buzzer will be selected, and they will, and after that, I will not provide any opportunity for any other team. We move on, okay? You will have chances with the second question. Is that clear? Any questions before we start? Is it clear? Okay, so we will start now. In the first round, you will have 30 seconds, but in round 2, you will have 1 minute to answer, okay? Because you have 2 questions. So round 1. How much of the body surface area is 1 palm?
1%.
You have to press the buzzer.
I buzzed.
Okay. Yes, but it's supposed to produce a sound. Okay. So what's the answer, Ali?
%.
Correct.
Thank you.
The answer is 1%. Question 2. What histologic feature do you see here?
Spongiosis.
You will check there.
Huh?
Team 3? Okay. Please, can we have the sound to the buzzer, please? So team 3, what is the answer?
Spongiosis.
Correct. So team 3 gets the second question. Are you following the other teams? Are you able to see the screen? Buzzer. There is sound now? Can we proceed? Proceed? Okay. Question number 3. Name 2 FDA-approved indications of Dapsone in dermatology. Which team?
Dermatitis herpetiformis,
Yes.
linear IgA, bullous disease, and IgA مشكلة. مش تو linear IgA ودرماتيتس herpetiformis وسبcorneal posterior dermatosis.
FDA-approved indications.
subcorneal posterior dermatosis dermatitis herpetiformis.
Only one of them is correct.
IgA pemphigus.
No. So they will not get any points because only one of them is correct. Anyone else wants to answer just on their behalf? Yes, team 4?
Sweets and DH.
No. Anyone else? Yes? Leprosy, correct? And DH, correct. So there are 3 FDA approved indications of dapsone in dermatology. Systemic dapsone is DH as well as Hansen's, and topical dapsone, acne. Question number 4. What is your diagnosis?
Team 2.
Team 2.
Psoriasis vulgaris.
No. There will be no correct answer for this, Georgia. I'm just giving a chance to the others.
Pemphigus foliaceus.
Excuse me.
Pardon? Look at the slide.
Bounce disease.
Bowen's disease, but there will be no correct answer, okay? Because your first answer was not correct.
Excuse me.
So the correct answer is Bowen's disease. So questions
Excuse me, before we proceed,
3 and 4, there were no correct answers.
I cannot see the entire half of this.
Are the rounds clear now? Is it clear? Because you still have more questions to go. What does S stand for in CREST syndrome?
Team 2.
Team 2.
Sclerodactyly.
Correct. Sclerodactyly. Can you tell us more about CREST syndrome if you know, Team 2? What is CREST syndrome in general?
Limited scleroderma.
Limited cutaneous
Cutaneous
systemic
systemic
sclerosis. And this is the acronym CREST, which stands for all of this, and S stands for sclerodactyly. Question number 6. Name the vector in leishmaniasis.
Team 5.
Sandfly, correct. Can I move on to the next one?
Yes.
Is it ready for all of you? The buzzer? Okay. Question number 7. The nickel spot test uses dash for the detection of nickel in various metallic objects. Which team?
Team 2.
Yes, the one that causes the reaction. Before you press the buzzer, please read the question so that if you don't know the answer, at least like someone else who knows can be able to press. Anyone knows the answer? Okay. Sorry. So it uses dimethyl glyoxime. Okay? If you put a solution of this component on an object containing nickel, the color will turn pink. And that gives you a clue that there is nickel in that substance which is causing the allergic contact dermatitis. Can I move to the next question?
Yes.
Imiquimod is an immune response modifier that activates by binding to which toll-like receptor? Which team?
Team 5.
TLR7.
Exactly, thank you. Good. Toll-like receptor 7. Can I move to the next one?
Yeah.
Anti-Rho antibodies are positive in all of the following conditions except
Team 3.
A. Felty syndrome.
correct. What is Felty syndrome? Where do you see it?
I did it by exclusion, so
Arthritis.
But it's an internal medicine question, not dermatology
Rheumatoid.
question.
Rheumatoid arthritis.
Pardon?
Rheumatoid arthritis.
Correct, yes.
Correct, Dr. Nisha.
No, team 3 correct. That's it.
Team 3 correct.
Okay, can I move to the next question?
Yes.
This animal is a natural reservoir for which organism or disease? What is the animal?
Armadillo. Nine-banded armadillo.
Nine-banded armadillo. Have you seen it ever? No. You can go and see it at the Green Planet. Okay? So the nine-banded armadillo is the natural reservoir of Mycobacterium leprae. Can I move?
Please.
What is the characteristic phenomenon in
Team-
pyoderma gangrenosum? Which team?
Team 1.
Pathogen.
Pathology phenomenon, correct. Team 1, correct. What is the phenomenon, if you may explain? It won't affect your marks.
Okay. If you inject it or break it by sterile needle, it will yield a sterile pustule after 48 hours.
Correct. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Waringa-Collop disease is a distinct variant of mycosis fungoides, presenting as psoriasiform plaques on the extremities. What is it also known as?
Team 1.
Vegetoid reticulosis.
Good, correct, team 1. It's also known as vegetoid reticulosis.
Please start.
Please.
Yes, you can start.
Jet with a contrail sign is a dermoscopic sign seen in
Scabies.
scabies. Good, team 5, correct.
Team 5, yes. You can start, Dr. Nisha.
Can you explain what is the jet and the contrail, if you may? What is the jet and what is the contrail in the sign?
The contrail is the boro and the
Yes.
jet is the mite.
Is the mite, is the head of the mite. Okay, can I proceed?
Yes.
Deucravacitinib is an oral FDA-approved medication for the treatment of moderate to severe plaque psoriasis.
Team 4.
Team 4. So you pressed without... what is the mechanism of action of deucravacitinib?
Blocks interleukin 17.
Deucravacitinib? No.
No.
Any other? Yes.
Janus kinase inhibitor.
Close, but no.
Tick-
So it
Tyrosine
is
kinase receptor 2 inhibitor.
Exactly. It's a TYK2 inhibitor. It's available as a tablet.
Can you consider it for?
It doesn't affect any of the JAKs.
So no correct answer.
No correct answer.
Okay, we can start.
Ghost cells are seen in
Team 2.
correct. What are the ghost cells? Team 2 correct. What are ghost cells?
Dead nuclear or anuclear cells.
Anucleated eosinophilic cells
cells.
in the center or in the periphery of the lesion? In the center, correct.
You can start, Dr. Nisha.
What does TRUE stand for in TRUE test? Which team?
Team 2.
Please take some time to think and then press the buzzer. Okay.
It's used in diagnosis of
What is the full form of true? That's the question.
that, truth is, red.
Okay. Does anyone know the answer? I think you're all using it. Okay, so no correct answer, Georgia.
Yes.
True stands for thin layer, rapid use epicutaneous test. A hair pull test is positive in all of the following conditions except
Team 5.
Alopecia areata.
no. Alopecia areata, it will be positive, especially at the margins because it's still active. Okay, anyone else just to get the answer? Pardon?
Anagen effluvium.
Anagen effluvium, no.
Loose
Chronic
anagen.
telogen effluvium is the
Chronic.
answer. Okay, no answer. Georgia, no correct answer.
Okay.
What is the name of the syndrome characterized by dark pigmented macules on the lips and inside the mouth associated with GI polyps?
Team 2.
Peitz-Jeghers syndrome.
Peitz-Jeghers syndrome, correct.
Team 2 correct.
Yes. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Sorry. One fingertip unit measures
Team 1.
0.5 gram.
0.5 grams, approximately. The exact amount is 0.49 grams in males and 0.43 grams in females, but approximately 0.5 grams, I will accept that.
Dr. Nisha correct.
Yes, team
Team
1
one.
correct. What is the name of the sign in favor of subungual melanoma where there is periungual extension of the brown-black pigmentation onto the proximal and all the lateral folds?
Team
What is
5.
Hutchinson sign.
Hutchinson sign, correct. Team 5, correct.
Yeah.
Hello, hi, sorry. I think there might be something wrong with our system because we keep buzzing and sometimes it doesn't work. So,
Can we check?
can we double check?
I wish you informed us earlier.
No, just now.
Or just now? So the correct answer is Hutchinson sign. All good now with your buzzers? Can I proceed?
Round 2 now.
Now round 2, yes. So do you have any questions so far? Round 2 is a little bit... There are 2 parts for each round.
It's for 1 minute.
Yeah, and you have 1 minute. We can take a break and then start if you want. Good. So we'll start, Georgia?
Yes, we are ready.
So you have 1 minute. Please think and then you press. Name this clinical finding in a man who has hoarseness of voice, and what is the diagnosis?
Beaded papules.
Pardon?
Beaded papules.
Needed papis, but what is the exact name?
A string of pearl. Lipoid proteinosis again.
The diagnosis is correct, but the...
Beaded papules again.
So she will get 1 point. The diagnosis is correct, lipoid proteinosis. The name is moniliform blepharosis. The next question. Can't see, can't pee, can't climb a tree is a triad of symptoms seen in
Hello. So it's writers.
writers.
And
What
two
are
class-
the 2 classical clinical findings you see?
يعني other than these three?
No, there are clinical findings. This is
The
the
mnemonic.
first one is a descriptive term for the syndrome. What do you see? What are the clinical features in writers?
Conjunctivitis and urethritis.
No.
There are some terms which are used to describe these symptoms on the skin. These are skin, cutaneous findings.
You did not write cutaneous.
Okay,
and
cutaneous findings. What are the cutaneous findings in writers?
Keratoderma blenuragica.
Good. And
And we gave other than cutaneous.
mucocutaneous. Think you are on the right track, so I'll give you some time.
Cysts. And the oral mucosa.
Pardon?
Cysts.
No, not cysts.
And oral ulcers as well.
In writers?
بس خلاص, this is the limit to my knowledge.
Sarsinet balanitis is the other one. So we will give them,
We said you did not specify cutaneous.
but okay, then I already asked you cutaneous and I gave you time.
You're the judge.
You've made it tough for me. So you answered 2/3 of the answer. We'll give them 5 points. Okay. Think and then answer. The following condition is caused by a gene mutation of which gene? And tell us the full form of the gene.
P63.
Pardon? What is
P63 gene.
P?
63.
P63. And what's the full form then?
I only know the gene.
Okay, anyone else? That is incorrect. I'll give a chance to another team.
Can we answer?
Pardon?
Incontinentia pigmenti,
Yes.
Nemo gene,
Yes. What's the full form
the full name?
of Nemo? It's not the fish.
No, not this one.
Yes, yes. NF kappa B,
I don't remember the rest. Sorry.
essential modulator. No, they are the ones who pressed first.
Dr. Nisha, no points.
Yeah, but there's only one chance.
Give us a clapping hand. That's it. That's all. We want.
We give them 1 point. Yeah,
14-5.
yes. Okay? The next question, what is the cutaneous finding in Lofgren syndrome?
Team 3.
We answer for that? Okay. Sarcoidosis,
Cutaneous finding in Lofgren's,
erythema nodosum.
correct? And it's a manifestation of
We said sarcoidosis.
sarcoidosis, correct? All points. 5 points to team 3.
Okay.
Good. What is the diagnosis?
Team 2.
Diarrhea disease.
Yes. Mode of inheritance? Take your time.
Autosomal recessive
No.
or dominant?
Dominant, so 1 point.
Okay.
Autosomal dominant, but good. So there your white disease, mode of inheritance is autosomal dominant. Question 6, what is the syndrome? And what's the gene mutation?
Team 3.
Pachyonychia congenita.
Good.
Okay.
لا انا مركزه على
نتعاون احنا بين اتفاقيه. Keratin 6A and 16.
Good, 5 points.
Yes. Just a second. Okay, you can start, Dr. Nisha.
So there are 2 types. This is the type 1. Jadison, Lewandowski type. Okay? The next question. Describe the classical direct immunofluorescence finding in this condition.
Team 5.
Describe the DIF findings. Not the diagnosis, not anything. I want the DIF findings.
Chicken wire appearance.
Pardon?
Chicken wire appearance
Of?
The epidermal. The epidermal.
Yes, Ali.
Epidermis.
Epidermal?
Chicken wire appearance and the epidermis.
Of what?
IgG.
And?
C3.
Yeah. So 5 points.
Yes.
So it is in the intercellular spaces. Intercellular spaces. That is also important. 5 points. IgG and C3 in the intercellular spaces in the epidermis, giving it a fishnet or a chicken wire appearance. So we are almost coming to an end. Next question. What is the diagnostic criteria of cafe au lait macules in this condition? The diagnostic criteria. Which team?
Team 5.
Take your time.
I suppose 3 or more and more than 5 centimeters.
Anything else? Anyone else?
5 millimeter, 5 cafe au lait, more than 5 millimeter in pre-adolescent.
Pardon? How many?
5, more than 5 cafe au lait, more than 5 millimeter in pre-adolescent, more than 15 in post-adolescent, more than 15 cafe au lait in post-adolescent.
Yes, that is right, but it is 6 or more, not 5 or more. Okay, so no correct answer.
Yes.
It is 6 or more than 5 millimeters in pre-adolescence, and more than 15 or more in post-pubertal. Okay? Take your time, take your time. A 41-year-old farmer presented with these lesions of 10 years duration. What are the structures you see in figure B, and what is the causative organism?
Team 1.
Copper penny bodies. It's for chromoplastomycosis, exfolia, Fonseca, biderosoi, and exfolia verrucosa.
Correct. 5 points.
Yes.
So they are called copper penny bodies, medlar bodies, sclerotic cells, and they are seen in chromoblastomycosis, which is caused by Fonseca pedrosoi. Coming to the last question. What is the diagnosis?
Team 2.
Okay, part 2. What is the time frame of occurrence of lesions? Exact time frame. On, yes, on subsequent exposure. Subsequent lesions. The exact time frame is 30 minutes to 8 hours. Okay?
How many
So
points?
1 point. Thank you. This is the end. Team 5. Good. Congratulations. Yeah. So we'll have a prize giving ceremony. Dr. Amani and Dr. Mohammed to the winning team. Any comments from your side?
We would like to thank you for the opportunity. It was actually really nice. I know everyone was a little bit, hesitant to
Yes,
join in.
you guys were so
but
tense.
I
No
think
need.
on subsequent years, we're all going to be happy to be here. Thank you so
I'll
much.
prepare more questions subsequently.
Then we will not be joining in.
Okay, be on the stage. Team 3 first on stage. Team 2 is third place, sorry. Team 2. Yeah, Team 2 is third place, then second, then we have the win. Team 2, please be on stage.
Team 2 is third place. Team 3 is second place. Team 5 is first place. Team 3.
Thank you all very much.